All right, I'm going to go over how to cut, once you have your fabric strip pieced, how to cut the pieces from it. So first look at the table in the whatever section for whatever size you're making. So I'm making the lap size quilt, so I'm going to the table at the beginning of the lap size section. This is my fabric eye. So I look how many pieces of each size I need to make. And I'm going to show you first using this Stripology ruler from Creative Grids. I have a love-hate relationship with this ruler, but it is faster for this pattern. You don't need to have it by any means. I'll show you how to cut with both a regular ruler and with this. So the nice thing about this ruler is that you just cut through the first slot to square it up. I've lined this seam across the my strip piecing seam with one of the lines on the ruler to make sure that it's straight across all the way. So I've squared up the edge, and now I'm going to cut my pieces using the numbers on the bottom of the ruler. You have to do a little math in your head to cut these, but it's not too bad. So I've cut those two pieces. Now let me show you how to cut using a regular ruler. So you still need to square up the edge, and the way I like to do it is I'll cut a piece that's just a little bit wider than what I need. So I've lined up the seam with some lines on my ruler. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to flip it around and trim it to the exact size, and this will help me make sure that I've squared it up. So now that I've squared it up, as long as this line here and this line and the line on the and this line here line up with the seam and with the edge of the fabric, then I know I'm still squared up. If it isn't lined up, then I'll square it up again. So I'm just going to finish cutting these. That's 2. I need 3 more. Still looking good. I am not a fast fabric cutter. I'd rather cut it correctly and cut quickly. The Stripology ruler helps, but you know, it's still so easy to make a mistake, and I don't like wasting fabric, so I just squared it up again because it was a little bit off. Because we didn't pin when we strip pieced, you'll find that your seam may not be totally straight across, and you'll need to square it up. That's it.